Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Lemon Tree Hotels. Our analyst maintains positive view on Lemon Tree with an upside potential of 25% over the next 12 months. Lemon Tree continues to focus on stabilization of Aurika Mumbai, accelerate growth in the managed franchise portfolio, and timely completion of renovation activities in the own portfolio to drive growth in the medium to long term. This, coupled with an aggressive asset-light model-based expansion plan, puts Lemon Tree on a strong footing to achieve solid revenue and PAT growth of 17% and 33% respectively over FY24 to FY27. The stock is trading at attractive valuation of 16 times FY25, 14 times FY26 and 12 times FY27 EV by EBITDA. Next we cover Dixon Technologies. Dixon is a leading manufacturer of products for key consumer durable brands in India. Operating profits were higher by 114% to Rs 426 crore. Company aims to scale the current mobile manufacturing capacity from 25 to 30 million to 40 to 45 million PCs by 2027. Dixon is targeting a revenue of Rs 4,500 to 5,000 crore in next 2 to 3 years under the IT and hardware business. Total capex outlay for Chennai unit is at Rs 150 crore. Our analysts upgrade Dixon Technologies to buy with a revised price target of Rs 16,800, factoring in strong revenue CAGR of 66% and PAT CAGR of 84% over FY24 to FY27. The stock currently trades at 62 times FY26 and 40 times FY27 earnings.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.